In this video, we'll look at how to download, install, and then enable the Lively Wallpaper application, which enables us to have live wallpaper on our Windows 10 device. So the Lively Wallpaper application is an open source application that we can download, and then with it we can have different options as far as live wallpapers are concerned. So you just go to your browser and then search for Lively Wallpaper download. Go to the link that says Lively Wallpaper by Rox Danister. If you click on that link, and once you get to the site, there's this tab to download. Just click on it. You have an option to either get the application from Microsoft, or you can click on the installer. I'll go with the installer. This should download the file to our computer. It looks like it says it'll take about a minute. So it's almost done with the download. Okay, it's done. I'll minimize this window. Go to the downloads folder, and this is the file. Just double click it so that we can install it. So I'll select install for me only. Go with English as the language. Go to next. Accept the agreement. Next. So I'll go with the default folder. Next. It's going to create a desktop shortcut here. I'll go with next. I'll click on install. So I have an icon here. I'll click on it. I'll click yes. And then here I'll click finish. As you can see on the desktop, we have a shortcut for Lively Wallpaper, and it looks like it's launching. So there we are. This is the Lively Wallpaper, and it comes pre-installed with a few options as far as live wallpapers. So if you wanted to select one of these, you can just click on it, and we should see it now. It's applied as our wallpaper. And so if you don't like the wallpapers, the live wallpapers that come with it, what you can do is you can click on this plus sign to add a new wallpaper. So if you click on this, you'll need to add if you add a video file, you can drag and drop it here, or you can browse to that video file. You also have an option to point to a YouTube video. All you need to get is the URL for the video. Come and paste it here, and then click on this, and that should add it to your live wallpapers. So I'm not gonna do that option. Once you have it added, you can customize it. You just right click on it, and you should have the option to customize the video that you just added. And if you needed to delete it, you can just delete. If you wanted to close this out, you can click on this arrow here on your taskbar, the up arrow. You have this Lively Wallpaper icon. Just right click on it. You can exit the application. You can close the application completely by clicking on exit. You can change your wallpapers by clicking on change, and that should change it for you. Then you have an option to close the wallpapers. Like I said, if you wanted to exit the Lively Wallpaper app, just click on exit, and that should close it for you. And now it's not available here, but if you needed to launch it, you can click on the live wallpaper, or you can search for the app here and then launch your Lively Wallpaper. So that's it for this video. That's how you actually download and then enable your Lively Wallpaper application, which allows you to have different live wallpaper for your Windows 10 device. I hope this information has been useful. See you all in my next video. Thanks. Bye.